A secret pact between controversial Citizens Coalition for Change CCC Interim Secretary General Senzo Tshabangu and President Emmerson Mnangagwa to establish a government of national unity GNU that would extend Mnangagwa's rule beyond 2028 has been exposed, sparking a fresh political storm. Sanabina mashuku blanyu kochizi Mnangagwa's GNU deal you blow up. Protocol subscribe or like out on the bell like Timna Mahmoud Konkinzi Tshabangu reportedly told legislators aligned with him that the deal guarantees their continued presence in parliament beyond the 2028 elections under the proposed GNU framework. The startling revelation was made during a closed-door caucus meeting with the 20 MPs and senators loyal to Tshabangu at parliament yesterday. His remarks have intensified suspicions that he is colluding with the ZANU-PF to undermine the main opposition and erode its electoral gains. In a separate meeting held on the same day in Harare, CCC faction leader James Otimba addressed 45 CCC MPs and senators, highlighting deepening fractures within the opposition party. Speaking to Newsday, Timba dismissed Tshabangu's GNU claims as a fantasy orchestrated by his ZANU-PF handlers. The attempt by Senzo Tshabangu, having learned from his handlers to rig himself into the bona fide leadership of the Citizen Coalition for Change through a caucus collapsed like a deck of cards when only 21 legislators turned up, Timba said. Our caucus was well attended with 45 present and 8 apologies. Tshabangu has long been accused of acting as a ZANU-PF proxy, with his public statements, apparent immunity from legal scrutiny, and behind-the-scenes meeting with state actors feeding growing suspicions. His latest push for a GNU is widely seen as part of a broader strategy to neutralize the opposition ahead of the 2028 elections. Analysts warn that any GNU born out of backroom deals and not through legitimate electoral mandate risks entrenching authoritarian rule under pretense of national unity while aligning the democratic will of Zimbabweans. Tomashukana muda nyuko pangwa ine pamsoro aiwa pe deal iri kuitwa naTshabangu pamwechete aiwa neZANU-PF yekuextenda term yemutungamiri wenyika. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechiitikwa ichi. Pinda comment section yedu, subscribe or like, chete on the bell icon.